Hi love bugs, welcome back for another day of calendar. What's really cool about today is we're starting a new month. So if you have your new calendar that I sent to your families, it looks like this. This is our calendar for April, and it's a little different than our calendar for March was. Okay, so we're gonna get started, and the new month that we're in is April. So we're going to trace our capital A, lowercase p, lowercase r, lowercase I, lowercase l. Now, today is the very first day of April, so we would put a number 1 for the date. It's April 1st. What year is it, love bugs? Very good. It is still 2020. But now our digital date changes a little bit, love bugs, so let's think this through. We had January, February, March, April. How many months is that? 4. So the secret code when you want to write April is you put a 4 because it's the 4th month in a year. How many days of April have there been? Today is the first day of April. And how do we write our year as a secret code? Very good. We write 20. Excellent job, love bugs. Remember, if I go too fast for you, the cool thing about having lessons on YouTube is you can pause your teacher. So have a ball and pause your teacher. Let's get together and sing, guys. Don't leave me hanging. I never like to sing this alone. Days of the week. 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 There's Sunday, then there's Monday. There's Tuesday, then there's Wednesday. There's Thursday, then there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Love bugs, yesterday was Tuesday. What day comes after Tuesday? Very good, Wednesday. Now this is our longest day that we have to write. So I kind of start over here. We're going to go with a capital W. Everything else is lowercase e, D, using our nicest foundation handwriting, N, E, S, D, A, Y. And even I started off the line and still went off the line. It is such a long word when we write Wednesday. Good job, love bugs. Now down here, you'll see that it's very different. We used to have 3 tens frames there and we would frame the date. Now they're switching it up and it's asking for incredible equations for the date. So today is the number 1. So we're going to come up with an equation to show getting the number 1. So I'm going to write 1 plus, what could I add to 1 to get the answer of 1? You're right, nothing. I'm going to put a 0. 1 plus 0 equals 1. That's going to be our incredible equation for today. Next, we're going to talk about how smart you are. Love bugs, you started with me on the very first day of school, and even though we're learning at home right now, we are still counting that as school because we're still learning together. So yesterday you were 132 days smarter. How many days smarter are you today? What number comes after 132? Very good, the number 133. And this is how we write it. Now I want you to get your hands up in the sky, show me those fists, and we're going to take this number and break it, break it, break it, break it down. Take your number and break it, break it, break it, break it down. Take the number and break it, break it, break it, break it down. We're going to flip our markers to the cap side. We're going to do this one time, and today I want you to use your robot voice, and we're going to break apart the place value. Ready? Hundreds, tens, ones. I didn't hear you, robots. One more time. Hundreds, tens, ones. Excellent. Which digit was in your hundreds place? Very good, it was a 1, so we're going to make a tally mark of a 1 in our hundreds column. Next, we go to our tens place. What digit is in the tens place? Excellent, it's a 3, so we're going to make 3 tally marks in our tens place. Here we go. 1, lift your marker up. 2, and up. 3, and stop. Excellent, love bugs. Finally, we go to our ones place. How many were in our ones place? What digit was in the ones place? 3, very good. So we're going to make 3 tally marks in the ones place. Here we go. 1 and up, 2 and up, 3 and stop. So in our hundreds, tens, ones columns, this is how you would make 133. 3. What season are we in, love bugs? Very good, it's springtime. If you want to color your flower, you can. If you want to trace the flower, you can. Just don't scribble all over it, because in kindergarten, we like to trace or color. Very good, love bugs. Now, if you're caught up with me, you can erase your board. Beautiful job. And we're going to go to our pocket charts of hundreds, tens, ones to show what 133 looks like. When we left off yesterday, love bugs, in our hundreds, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 groups of 10 to make 100. Let's count by tens after that. Ready? 110, 120, 130. Very good. Now we go to our ones. 131, 132, and today's straw, 133. Excellent. Now, love bugs, let's look at that. In our ones place, we have 3 straws. 3 straws have to stay in the ones. They are not big enough to be a tens yet. How many more straws do we need to add here for the 3 to become a 10? Shout it out if you know it. Did you say 7? 7, 8, 9, 10. You're right. Great job, love bugs. So I'm going to put this in here until we come back tomorrow for some more calendar. You did a great job, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.